Hello, children. Today we will start with general knowledge, page number 13 in your book. So, I hope you have already finished till page number 12 and you have to do all the exercises in the book itself. Okay, there is no need to make any copy for the time being. In this page, you have to write famous poets, poems, and poets. So, poetry is the art of weaving magic with words. It is the easiest yet the most difficult to understand among all creative writing. So, given below is a list of poems and their poets from all over the world. You need to match them. So, first poem is Phenomenal Woman, is written by, you need to match with the correct answer, and the correct answer is Maya Angelou. Can you see the option E, Maya Angelou? Second is Where the Sidewalk Ends, and this is the name of the poet for this poem is Shel Silver's Sting. Shel Silverstein. Then third one is If You Forget Me, and the answer is option number N, Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda. Fourth is I Carry Your Heart With Me, and you will match with option G, E. Cummings. E. Cummings. Fifth is The Road Not Taken. Fifth is The Road Not Taken, and you will match it with option S, Robert Frost. Sixth is A Dream Within a Dream, and you will match the answer here, option number M, Edgar Allan Poe. Edgar Allan Poe. Fine. The seventh one is There Is Another Sky. There is another sky. Match it with option Q, Emily Dickinson. Eighth is Life is Fine, and you are going to match this Life is Fine with option A, James Langston Hughes. James Langston Hughes. Ninth is Brown Penny, and you are going to match with option P, W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats. Okay. 10th is A Girl. You are going to match with option T, Ezra Pound. 11th is As Soon as Fred Gets Out of Bed, and you will match this answer with option I, Jack Prelutsky. Jack Prelutsky. The next one is 12th, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. So this 12th you will match with option number C, William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth. 13th is the New Poetry Handbook. 13 you will match with option R, Mark Strand. 14th is Funeral Blues. Funeral Blues. And this one you will match with option F, W.H. Auden. W.H. Auden. Next is The Mother, and you will match with option L, and the answer is Gwendolyn Brooks. Gwendolyn Brooks. 16th is The Broken Heart. The Broken Heart you will match with option B, William Barnes. 17th is do not go gentle into that good night. 17th you will match with option O, Dylan Thomas. 18th is a word to husbands. A word to husbands. 18th you will match with option H, Ogden Nash. Ogden Nash. 19th is alive. This you will match with option K, Sylvia Plath. Sylvia Plath. The last one is Those Winter Sundays. You will match with Robert Hayden. Option D, Robert Hayden. Now we'll do the next page. Next page is Indian women writers. In the field of literature, the contribution of women is very important. They emerged as poetesses, storytellers, and authoresses of dreams and ideas, the voices which changed the face of our society. So, can you see a small introduction is description is given about these writers? You need to identify the name from the clues. The answers are already mentioned here in the blanks and at the back of the book also given, but we need to learn. Okay, the first one is she is an Indian novelist and short story writer. She was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1978 for her novel Fire on the Mountain by the Sahitya Akademi and India's National Academy of Letters. Her notable works are The Peacock, Voices of the City, Fire on the Mountain, Clear Light of Day, In Custody, The Village by the Sea, and Fasting, Feasting. And the name of the writer is Anita Desai. Second is she is an Indian writer whose novels are passionately woven in the thread of human nature and values with the female oriented component. Her Mistress was included in the list of the Orange Broadband Prize for Fiction, Better Men, Mistress, The Puffin Book of Magical Indian Myths, and Where the Rain is Born. Writings about Kerala, etc., are some of her notable works, and the name of the writer is Anita Nair. The third is she was born in India and educated in England and US. This writer's notable works include Inheritance of Loss and Halabulu in a Guava Orchard. Inheritance of Loss won the coveted 2006 Man Booker Prize and National Book Critics Circle Award for Fiction, and the name of the writer is Kiran Desai. The fourth one, she is an Indian novelist, copywriter, freelance writer, and columnist. She is known as Indian Jackie Collins. Starry Nights, Socialite Evenings, Sultry Days, Sisters, Small Betrayals, Second Thoughts, Surviving Men, Spouse, Snapshots, and Selective Memory are her notable works, and the name of the writer is Shobha Dey. The fifth one is this renowned writer's flair for writing it's evident in her books like Dollar Souls, originally written in Canada. Her notable works include Wise and Otherwise and Mahasweta. And the name of the writer is Sudha Kulkarni Murthy. The last one is she is an Indian American author. Her debut short story collection Interpreter of Maladies won the 2000 Pulitzer Prize for fiction, and her first novel, The Namesake, was made into a popular film, and she has won several awards for her work. And the name of this writer